All right, this is Yash Wadhawe, and this is my CS50's final project. What this is basically a data analysis project that I've been studying. This is what is I call stocks analysis. I have used NumPy, Pandas, and Quandl and matplotlib for plotting the datas and tkinter and seaborn to import the data and pandas table as well. Well, tkinter I've used for the GUI obviously, and seaborn for plotting as well. And this is a Jupyter notebook. And all right, we'll be seeing this project. That's how you implement it. So I'll run it, and as you can see, this is the GUI. Not good looking, but yeah, this works, I guess. Now these are the companies, the name of the companies that we have. So let's say we have let's say Bosch. So we'll put in Bosch, and then we'll click go. It takes a little bit of time, but yeah. As you can see, the figures have been plotted on the graph. So these are the stock analysis of the Bosch company from 1992 to 2020. That is this price. So it's a dynamic data analysis. The Quandl is used for this, so to get the real-time stock analysis. So yeah, the data has been interpreted at a dynamic level. Now we'll see about this, like we can compare companies. So let's say if we click on compare, and we have this option called compare one. So if we click Ike, and then if we click Bosch, we can click go on this. And as you can see, we have a as comparison analysis of two companies, the high values, the low values, and the opening and the closing values. On the left, the blue line indicates the Ica, and the orange line indicates Bosch. And yeah, this is my project, and this was CS50.